Well, I grew up here. I went away to college and then away to teach school in Wisconsin, 20 years. Then we came back here to farm, and I have been farming and teaching for ever since 1979. This is an area where there isn't a whole lot of diversity. Nowadays, it's mostly corn and soybeans. There's very little grain. I think there's one dairy herd in the county, and very few people have beef cattle, although we have some native pasture and woodland that is used best for our beef cow herd. Last year it was extremely dry. We didn't have quite as good a yield as the year before, but there was a negative effect because of drought, and of course that was pretty much true all over the country, and some places were a lot worse than we had. Climate changing will certainly cause a change in possibly the type of varieties that you're growing. It might cause a change in the need for more drought-resistant plants. Northern Minnesota above us could possibly be a better corn-producing country area than it is right now, as Minnesota never used to be known as a great corn-producing area, but now southern Minnesota puts out the numbers that are just about equal to the Illinois and Iowa and Indiana that we had figures from years before. I think there is a global warming effect. I think that the climate is changing. I don't think southern Minnesota, where we live, is going to be the same 50 years from now, climate-wise. I think we as stewards of the land are not causing all of this change. I think it's variation that goes on over hundreds and hundreds of years. And yes, what we do does affect, but I think there also are normal cycles and changes.